The highest ranking executive at Coinbase is investing all of his wealth in XRP. It is recommended that you read this if you are either interested in XRP or already possess any XRP tokens currently. Is there any new information regarding XRP? Will this have an impact on the value of it? As I answer these questions and tell you about all the fresh information regarding XRP that has just been released, which will cause its price to go up, I will do so in the video that I am going to show you today. In addition to that, I will explain to you that there is still a significant possibility that you may become a billionaire by using XRP. As a result of the extensive research that I conducted for this video, you should make sure that you view it in its entirety so that you do not overlook any information that might assist you in increasing the price. Welcome to Crypto Next Gen Hub, where you will find the most recent and cutting-edge cryptocurrency news on a daily basis. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in order to keep ahead of the competition in the cryptocurrency market and receive all of the most recent XRP news and forecasts. If you click the like button and enable post alerts, you will be able to have access to additional cryptocurrency news from us. First things first, before we get into the first thing, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of XRP is doing on October 9th. As a quick reminder, if you are interested in participating in our daily giveaway of 50 XRP, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and repeat the phrase #XRP is king. Best of luck when you enter. A total of $724 million worth of XRP has been moved in just 24 hours, and the current price of XRP is 50 cents. XRP's price has decreased by 4.2% over the past week, and it has decreased by 3.8% over the past 24 hours. While there are currently 48 billion XRP coins in circulation, there are a total of 100 billion XRP coins in circulation. Now, when you see this video, it is possible that these prices will have changed significantly from what they were before. In addition, this is not financial advice, and investing in the cryptocurrency market is a risky endeavor. Therefore, before you do it, you should conduct your own research. In the event that you are interested in purchasing or selling XRP, the three most active trading platforms are Coin, eToro, and GateHub. Let us not squander any more time at this point. Okay, let's go see the movie. An expert identifies a significant opportunity for XRP that the most of traders would overlook, and he highlights divergence. On the daily schedule, there is a negative divergence in XRP, but crypto analyst JD is not concerned about it. He has identified a pivotal moment to make a purchase in the event that the bearish trend continues. JD's most recent analysis on XRP reveals that the asset has been suffering from a bearish divergence on the daily chart. This information was obtained from the chart. A bearish divergence occurs when the price of an asset achieves higher highs while its main momentum metrics record lower highs. There is a negative correlation between the two. These most recent shifts in significant indicators, such as the daily relative strength index, demonstrate that the price of XRP is decreasing. In addition to the RSI, there is also the daily stock RSI, which is also known as the daily moving average convergence divergence MCD. These pivotal indicators are indicating that lower highs are occurring, a rising wedge for XRP. While the price of XRP has reached higher highs, these measures have reached lower highs than they have thus far. This incident was the catalyst that led to the formation of the bearish split. Notably, another intriguing aspect of the story is that as XRP reaches these higher highs, some interesting things are happening. Since the 4th of September, the price of the product has been going in a wedge that is increasingly higher. JD brought to everyone's attention the significance of this rising wedge, pointing out that the next move that XRP may make could be determined by whether it sank below it or climbed above it. On September 28th, XRP experienced a fake out, which occurred when it dropped below the wedge and reached a low of $0.49. 9 traders who were uncertain about what to do, and dealers who had been in the market for a long time were eliminated with the assistance of this fake out. However, due to the fact that XRP surged back up, the chart did not reveal a decisive breach below the rising wedge. Another daily candle has been formed below the wedge that is ascending, and XRP has now made another one. JD was unsure as to whether or not this was another fake out similar to the one that occurred on September 28th. According to him, a large green candle at this moment might help balance out the negative divergence that XRP is presently experiencing and put the price back into the wedge. He said this in reference to the current situation. Opportunity to purchase XRP. In spite of this, JD believes that if this green candle does not arrive, XRP will fall much farther below the wedge. On the other hand, he views these declines as an opportunity to purchase additional XRP tokens at a reduced price. It is his opinion that the majority of purchasers will pass up this opportunity. If JD continues to talk in this manner, it seems as though he believes that XRP will come back if it continues to fall. Even if this was the case, the analyst did not establish a price target for the asset itself. In spite of the fact that JD is still optimistic, it is essential to use caution when entering the market. XRP has fallen below its previous price level of $0.50, zero result of the ongoing slowdown that is hurting the entire market. If you give this video a like and subscribe to the station, you will be able to assist the station. Always make sure that you are tuned in so that you do not miss anything in the future. We shouldn't keep waiting any longer. Watch the remaining portion of the episode now. Coinbase's chief executive officer, Brian Armstrong, believes that the recent success that Ripple achieved over the United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC will be beneficial to his company's lawsuit against the SEC. The chief executive officer of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, has expressed his satisfaction with the latest ruling that favors Ripple and goes against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. Keep in mind that the Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Coinbase on June 5th, claiming that the business operates an illegal. In accordance with the laws of the United States, the stake offering was unlawful because it consisted of securities that had not been registered. But since then, the Securities and Exchange Commission has been unsuccessful in a case that was quite similar to the one against Ripple. The judge ruled that the sale of XRP on the secondary market did not qualify as transactions involving transferring stocks. During a recent interview with CNBC, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong discussed the decision and stated that it is beneficial to the defense of his organization against potential threats. A significant event was held by Coinbase on the same day that the CEO delivered a speech. Have a voice at the Coin event that is taking place in Washington, D.C. The response that Brian Armstrong gave when he was asked about the progress of Coinbase's litigation against the SEC was that his company had a very optimistic attitude about the matter. According to Brian Armstrong, the fact that 3 different judges have recently declared that some cryptocurrencies are not securities is the source of trust in the cryptocurrency trading market. The CEO of Coinbase was particularly interested in the case involving Ripple, as well as another case involving the notorious Terraform Labs. It was stated by the judge in the matter of Ripple and Terraform, for instance, that the assets that were utilized as collateral were not stocks. Coinbase's chief executive officer stated in an interview that that's also an important fact for us. The assertions made by the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC that Coinbase engages in the trading of unregistered securities by allowing users to exchange the assets would be rendered invalid by the fact that certain cryptocurrencies do not qualify as securities. As things now stand. In contrast to what the Securities and Exchange Commission SE asserts, the law does not mandate that the exchange be registered with the agency. As of right now, the CEO of Coinbase continues to support rules. The concept of clear standards for the cryptocurrency industry was appealing to Brian Armstrong, despite the fact that he did not agree with the regulation by enforcement approach taken by the federal government. The chief executive officer of Coinbase stated that these kinds of regulations will assist in protecting cryptocurrency investors from malicious individuals, such as those who were responsible for the crash of FTX. A further statement made by the chief executive officer of Coinbase was that it would have been preferable if the regulatory body had made the regulations public and adhered to the law by establishing guidelines. Companies that deal with cryptocurrency would have had an easier time adhering to legislation